everyone, welcome back to Chris TV, and in this video we are going to talk about nomenclature of the amine, what I'm actually going to look at. So I want to show you how to name amine, both the common name and how you pack what's name, and I'm going to name structures like this and more you get. So if you really want to master or know how to name amine, then you really want to stay to the end of this video, because by the end of this video I'll show you that you should be able to name every single thing you see under amine, right? So now let's jump to it. So we're going to start out with the common name. So pay close attention here. So when you say amine, amine is NH2 is is the functional group. So whenever it's something like this, NH2, no, this is what the functional group of the amine. Do you get that? So like what I say, we are starting with the common name. So if for example now to name the common name is very easy. Now remember, this one is the functional group. This one is not what is substance, and the name of this guy is methyl. So you're going to be methyl amine. You get methyl amine. So common name here is going to be methyl amine. You get as easy as that. So the name of the substance and the functional group added together is what common name. Same we saw that one here. This guy is called ethyl, right? So going to be ethyl amine. As easy as that. So this one, when you look at this other one here, so here is going to be 2. Now the name of this one is called isopropyl. So going to be isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine. As easy as that, you get. Now here we have 2 methyl attached to the amine functional group. So going to be because this is 2 methyl, going to be dimethyl amine. You get. So here it's going to be dimethyl amine. That is the name. This is going to be remember here is methyl, ethyl. So E will come before M, right? So going to be ethyl, methyl, amine. You see how easy it is, right? What about this one here? Here we have 3 substrate attached. Here we have methyl, here we have ethyl, here we have propyl. Do you get that? So E will come before N, and N will come forward P. So we go to ethyl, methyl, propyl amine. So this is how to name alkene in the common name. It's very easy. The name of the substance and the functional amine added together is the name. You get that? So now let's move into the IUPAC name. So if you want to name amine in the IUPAC system, then you need to come outside with the alkanes. So amine actually derived from the alkanes. Do you have? So now let me show you something here. So here we have the alkanes. Remember in my last video, and if you have not watched my last video on the nomenclature of the ester, I will leave the link at the description below. Do you get that? There are a bunch of videos I've done on the nomenclature of the alkane, alkyne, alkanol, and ether. You really want to master those videos, so I want to check those video out. You get that by the end of this video here. So if you don't want to like alkene here, so every other functional a bit derived from the alkene. So if you want to actually get the IUPAC name of this amine here, the E be replaced by amine. So if you want to name it amine, you remove this E and show you so now going to be. So instead of this E here, so amine will come in. So going to be alkanamine. Do you get? So that is the IUPAC name. You get? So the E in the alkane is being replaced by amine to get alkanamine. You get? So when I'm naming amine in the IUPAC name, this is what I'm going to make use of. So now let me show you something here. If for example here we have CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. Do you get that? Now remember, if you want to actually name someone in the common name, it's very easy. Here is called butyl amine, right? This is the common name, but the IUPAC name is not like this. You get that? So remember, in the alkane, the 4th member of the alkane is butane. Right? Now because there's a functional group here, what happened here? So the E will now be changed. You now change the words amine. Remember, this is what is a functional group. It's just like every other functional group. Do you get? So now because of butanamine, you get. Now the position of the words functional group matters a lot. You get. So you go to is that what carbon what one. So you go to be what one butanamine. You get. So that is what the IUPAC what name of this guy. So if you have something like this, CH3. So now look at this one here. Now the amine is our carbon number 2. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it's our carbon number 2. So you got to do what 2 butanamine. You get 2 butanamine. So you can see that the position of the functional group matters a lot. You get that the carbon atom kind of functional group must have what the lowest possible what number. So now before we move on, please I would like to know where you're actually watching this video from. Do you get that the school you are watching the video for? Just comment at the comment section. You get I really want to hear from you if this video is really helping you or not, or there's a way I need to improve on this video here. Do you get that? So if this video is helpful, just type helpful and type your school. I really appreciate that. So now let's continue. So now let's move into what more complex structure. So if you have it like this, right? Remember this was the functional group, right? And these are what my source strength you get. So remember the functional group must have the lowest possible number. First of all, you have to what count the carbon atom in the what in the chain here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what 6. You get. So even that got to be what hexanamine. Hexanamine. You get. Now, but so the carbon atom carry the functional must have the lowest possible number. So it must start from here because if you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, carbon number 4. But when you start from here 1, 2, 3, carbon number 3. So you are now starting from this direction. You get. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what 6. So the parent thing got to be what 3 hexanamine. Do you get that? So this is what the parent's what name of this structure here. So but there's a what there are what substance we have substance here we have chloro, here we have what methyl, right? So chloro will come before what methyl in what alphabetical what order. So you now have what 5 what chloro, here we have what 4 what methyl, here we have what 3 hexanamine. You get. So now let's move over to this one here. The same thing we have done here. Of course, we are going to start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what? 8. So we're going to go octanamine, right? So the counting will start from here in this direction. So we're going to be what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what 8. You get. So we're going to be what 3 octanamine. 3 what octanamine you get. So this is what the parent name. Here the source strength must put your source strength here. Chlorine will come for methyl. So chlorine will come for what ethyl. Ethyl will come for what methyl. So go to what 7 chloro, right? Then what 6 what ethyl. Then what 5 what methyl. Do you get that? Then 3 octanamine. 3 what octanamine. You get. So this is what the IUPAC name of this was structure here. You get. Now, but now let me move to this other one here. You can see that now the one we have been naming the nitrogen have been carrying what 2 hydrogen. Do you get that? But when I see this one here, there's a methyl attached to the nitrogen here. You get. So there's a different here. So this one is a what is a little bit different from this other one here. It's very easy. You get. How do we name it first? So therefore, take the chain that have what the longest continuous carbon chain, right? So you can see that this nitrogen is attached to 2 chains here. Here we have 1 chain. Here we have what 3 chains. So of course, this one will not be what my parent what chain. This one will not be what my like a substrate attached to the nitrogen. So here we have 3 carbon atom here, right? 3 carbon atom. Now 3 carbon atom is known as what propanamine. Do you get propanamine? You get. Now the nitrogen is that the functional group is our carbon what number 1 because I'm going to start from here 1, 2, what 3. So the parent name is now going to be what 1 propanamine. You get. Now, but you must include this one here. Now, this guy is not directly attached to the what, to the chain. Now, because it's not directly attached to the chain and it's attached to what, to the nitrogen. So to show that this methyl is attached to the nitrogen, what you want to do is going to be what? N what methyl 1 propanamine. Hope you understand. Now this N shows that the methyl is not directly attached to what, to the parent chain, rather is attached to what, to the what, nitrogen itself. So that is meaning. So now let's look at another one here. So how do we name this one here? Let's focus on this one. Now let's focus on this one here. So if you look at this one here, this one is a little bit complex than the one we have brought naming. So I would like you to pay close attention. Now the main reason why it's complex is because both the stretch, like the parent chain and the nitrogen itself, is carrying what, substrate. So nitrogen is carrying what, 2 substrates with what, the ethyl and what, and the methyl, right? Then this one is what, is bromo. Then is what, chloro. You get. So remember, this one is the functional group, right? So the functional group must have the lowest possible what, number, right? So if you count the chain, how many carbon atoms do you have in the chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what, 8. So you're going to be what, I can't number 3. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what, 8. You get. So the parent's name is going to be what, 3-octanamine. Do you get that? So parent chain 3-octanamine. You get. So but we have different substrates. We have like 4 substrates here. 2 are attached to what, to the nitrogen. 2 are attached to what, to the what, parent what, chain. Do you get that? Now what I want you to understand is that now irrespective of where the substrate attached, whether it's the nitrogen or the straight chain or the parent chain, now it must come in alphabetical what, order. Here we have chloro. Here we have what, bromo. Here we have what, methyl. So here we have what, ethyl. Here we have what, methyl. Do that. Now, of course, B will come first before what, chlorine, and chlorine will come before what, methyl, and methyl will come before what, and ethyl will come before what, methyl. Do you get that? So that's how you are going to name it. So it does not mean that chlorine and bromine come first because they are being attached to what, a parent chain. Rather, you arrange them in alphabetical order. You get. So just that this one here, to differentiate that this one is attached to nitrogen, not the parent chain, you're not going to put what, N. You get. So add in name here B. So these are what carbon number what, 5. So we're going to put what, 5 bromo. You get 5 what, bromo, because bromo is attached to carbon number 5. Then carbon number 4 is carrying what, chlorine. So we're going to put what, 4 what, chloro. You get. Then we are done with this other one here. Then let me do this other one, nitrogen now. So nitrogen is carrying what, methyl and what, ethyl and what, methyl. Now ethyl will come for what, methyl, right? So but this ethyl is attached to nitrogen. Do you get that? So you're now going to be what, N what, ethyl. N what, ethyl. Then methyl is also attached to what, nitrogen. So you're going to be what, N what, N methyl. You get. Then before that, see what the parent chain. So you're going to be what, 3 what, octanamine. You get. So that is name. Oh, the name is very long here. You get. So you can see how easy it is to what to name. So you can go ahead and name some for me. So pause video and name this guy. Pause video, name it. Get. Drop your answer in the comment section. Let me see what you can do. You get. So please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out every single thing. And also comment the school you're actually watching this content from. You get. And if this is actually helpful, please give it a like so you can spread to other persons, right? So now let's look at it. Hope you get it. Now let's confirm if you actually get this answer. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to be careful when you are what, counting what the parent chain so that you are not going to miss out. You get that? 7 means it means the word is what? Heptanamine. Heptanamine, right? That is what the parent chain. Of course, we are going to start our number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what 7. So we're going to do what the ninth equation is our carbon number 3. So we're going to do what 3 heptanamine. Do you get that? But you have two substituents, right? You have the ethyl, and you also have the methyl, right? So E will come before what M, you get. So in order to be what, but this E is attached to what, this methyl, so this ethyl is attached to what, to 9 3. So going to be what, N ethyl, you get. Then this one is what they are coming number 5. So going to be what 5 what methyl, you get. So here we have brings for here we have 2 what heptanamine. So we have come to the end of this nomenclature of what of the amine. I believe you have gotten tons of value from this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if this video helpful, please give it a like. You get that? There are links to a lot of video on the nomenclature of the word organic compound like alkane, alkyne, alcohol. Do you get that? So go to the description below and check those videos. But I'd like to go and watch the nomenclature of what of the ether. So I'll see you on the other side of the video. Thanks for watching.